What's good, everyone? I got my Yoda here, which is the OG Axial Scx10. I got some Fling King tires on there. She's got the transmission drop in it. It's only rear drive right now because I need to get a drive shaft for the front, but I figured I want to see how she does with just two-wheel drive. What else? Oh, and it's brushless. It's got the Spectrum 3S system in it. I would show you guys the inside, but the wiring's not really pretty right now. But I just want to see what she does in two-wheel drive. This Yoda is basically just going to be my mud running truck. Eventually, gearing my dually up so I can put a trailer to her and tow this thing around. It's been a while since I have had this thing running. It's just been sitting on my shelf. Either way, I mean, this thing looks sick just sitting there, but I'd rather drive it. And I noticed I still got some clicking going on in my rear diff on my axle. I don't know what the heck's going on there. I mean, I've taken that axle apart like so many different times, and it just, there's nothing in the way for it to be clicking. Like, it's hard to tell now, but every now and then I can hear it. Yeah, you can't tell right now. But it's driving me insane because I've tried everything and I can't figure it out. See right there, it's locking up. See? Hear it? I don't know what that's from. I'm not sure, guys. It's kind of driving me insane, that's for sure. I mean, if anything, I might just get new axles until I can figure out what the hell's going on with the back ones. Like, you can listen to it. I don't want to drive that well because... I don't know, I might take a look at it later again. See what the heck's going on with it. Because I want to do a nice video of this thing running, and maybe I'll put the front drive shafts in if I can find an extra pair. I don't know. But yeah, I won't post this video that I'm taking now of it in two-wheel drive until I fix the rear axle and put another drive shaft in the front and add that video onto this. So right after this clip, guys, you guys will see it in four-wheel drive again. So definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna go check this stuff out now. Alright, guys, I'm going to start taking the back tires off and taking the back axle off and tearing it apart to see what's going on the inside. I mean, who's to say? Maybe there's a screw that's a little long in a spot that doesn't belong. Who knows? But yeah, I'm going to tear it apart and then I'll get back at you guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. I got the rear axle taken off. I'm going to start tearing into it and see what keeps clicking and stopping the diff from turning. So, nothing like watching a little bit of RC Sparks while you're winching. But, yeah, guys, I'll get back to it once I tear it all apart. Alright guys, hold on. I'm going to try to do this the best I can so you guys can hear it and stuff. Because I have no holder for my phone. So you can hear that in there. Oh, I gotta lock my shaft back in. Like, and I don't see any blockage, nothing hitting it. Sometimes it'll stop. I don't know if it'll do it now. But yeah, it'll lock right up. Doesn't seem like it's doing it now, but you can hear that clicking. I don't know what the heck it's from. I even looked to see if there's any tooth missing on the gears, but there's none. Yeah, now that I'm recording it, I don't want to show that it locks up. I don't know, I'm still going to take a look at it though. So, yeah, I'll be back. Alright guys, I took it all apart, and it doesn't seem like there's much grinding at all like it was. So I'm wondering if it's on one of the shafts that go through the axle. Because I noticed one of them was rough to come out. Like it didn't want to come out at all. So that could be the possibility. Maybe I gotta clean up the shafts or the inside of one of these. Because it was rough coming out. But as you can see, there's really, I'll take this out. There's really nothing wrong with the inside. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, it's pretty clean. So, I don't know, guys. I'm still tinkering with it, seeing what I can do. Like I said, I'm going to try to clean up the shaft. Maybe that's the problem. I'm going to put new screws all through this, the stainless steel ones, and see if I got any bearings around, and I'll replace the bearings while I have it all torn apart. So, hang tight, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. I found the problem. If it'll focus up. Come on, focus. There we go. See that little groove right here? I think a screw was a little too long and it gouged it out. So I'm going to smooth that down and put shorter screw in that spot. But yeah, guys, that's definitely got to be the cause of the problem in my axle. So I'm going to file that down, put it all back together, and see what happens. I'll be back, guys. What's up, guys? I'm back out here. I have it in 4-wheel drive now, but I still hear that clicking in my rear axle. So I'm just gonna run it for now and eventually get new axles or whatnot. And I gotta stiffen up my springs a little bit. The body's rubbing up against the tires, but that's okay. A little tinkering that I have to do to it. But when I'm done with it, the thing will be a badass mud truck. Or if I end up getting a Axial SMT10 or the Losi LMT, whatever one I get, I mean, I'll probably turn those into a mud truck instead. See, it's like clicking. Yeah, I don't get it. Everything I looked at, I even grinded those spots down that I showed you guys. It just doesn't seem like, oh, now that's not my slippery. Eventually, once I work out the kinks in this truck, this thing will be a badass truck. Yeah, my slippery must be a little loose. I kind of want to put a slippery eliminator in there, but I mean, if any of you guys tried those out before, let me know what you think of them in the comments. I've never tried one, so I don't know how it would work, if it would be too rough on the transmission. Being brushed, this thing doesn't really have much get up. I mean, that could do with my slippery clutch too, so who knows. I'm hoping I'll get it fixed and all worked out before mud season after winter hits. That's why I'm really working on this now, trying to get it all squared away for mud season. Yeah, I know, winter hasn't even come yet, and here I am thinking about mud. I can't wait till winter already blows by and mud season's around. Definitely gotta give us some more power though, but I'll do that once I get the axle squared away and the slippery clutch. Oh, it's pretty windy out today. Oh yeah, she's slipping. I gotta tighten up that slippery clutch. I mean, this thing's gonna look like a beast when I'm done with it. I might trim up the wheel wells a little bit and make it more like a mud truck. I got some brass wheel extenders in there too. Hey there. I also put this nice servo in, Power Hobby. It came out of my X-Max. I'm not really using my X-Max right now, so, and I couldn't find another servo for this truck, so I figured, what the hell, might as well take it out and use it. I know it has way more torque than I really need, but it works. Yeah, I got something let loose. Yeah, I think my slippery clutch is backed off. That's what it is. But guys, that's it for this video. I mean, just something short, not as long as my normal videos are. Or it might be, I don't know. I don't think it is. But if you guys definitely like what you saw and want to see more progress on this mud truck, definitely subscribe, guys. Leave a like. Like always, I am out.